Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse, and quite a rare piece of China trio set to show you today. Wood & Sons Orient, which was only made for a relatively short period of time, and this is really from that sort of late period of production. We know from one of the pieces, date stamped I think June 1940, but most of it's 1935 onward, and production of Orient really ceased with the Second World War. So to have a piece dated 1940 must have been sort of produced and then decorated as one of the last pieces before they transferred production of these type of things to supporting the war effort. So let's run you over this piece of Orient. Blue and white china, transfer printed, Wood & Sons, beautiful cherry blossom with the sun, stalks, and a nice bit of decoration on this high peak arched handle. Inner rim decoration with the hatching with flowers and then blocks of triple cherry blossom again. Quite a typical Woods angular teacup. I think it's just over 3.5 inches and 2.5 inches tall. The exact measurements are on the website listing, so don't quote me on that. We will measure this properly and put it in the listing. But in fine condition, and with Orient, Wood & Sons England banner mark and crown marks beautifully displayed on the base. And then that sits on this very nice saucer, again with full central well blockwork design in the Orient pattern, hatchwork all around the sides with I think 5 blocks of cherry blossom inside, and again the Orient Woods mark on the base in really nice condition. Just look at the glazed reflection there, you see that? How fine this is with very little wear. Ted, behave yourself. Sorry, I'm videoing this with a couple of dogs around my legs. And then the side plate. Interesting, this one, because this has the HH&Co, or HH&G, which is a London retailer. All the details of that are on the website, with that Potter's mark with Orient again. So Woods were producing this. This isn't a different factory. It was produced for this distributor for sale through their London showroom. And this particular piece is date stamped, I think, June 1940. But there's some pieces in the stack of side plates we've got in the Orient design, again with the HH&G marks, and they're 1935. Again, just look at the condition of this. Really fine, beautiful glazed condition, really nice piece. So a trio, Wood & Sons Orient, which is incredibly difficult to find in good condition. Various china marks, all from Woods & Co, 1935 to 1940. Mixes really well with Yuan and some of the other Woods full-coloured versions of Orient peaking, and there are quite a few designs which were very similar to this that were coming off the production lines. Alva is another one that comes to mind, very, very similar, and they mix and match really nicely if you're looking to put together a Harlequin collection of sort of vintage mid-century Woods blue and white china. So lots of options for you there. Do have a look through the website. We're listing about 7 or 8 pieces of this particular design Orient in various shapes and sizes, including some tea plates and some serving bowls. So do have a browse of the website if this is something you've been looking for a while. Thanks for watching.